Welcome to the FriedrichLink Wi-Fi adapter installation video. In this video, we'll cover the contents of the FriedrichLink Wi-Fi accessory package, the information you'll need about your wireless network and Friedrich unit during the installation, a guided step-by-step video of the install sequence, and finally getting connected. Expect about 10 to 15 minutes to complete the installation. In the FriedrichLink Wi-Fi accessory package, you'll find a Wi-Fi adapter that has a registration ID on the back, a flash drive and cable to upload the Wi-Fi configuration to your Friedrich unit, and an instructional card that includes the website address as well as a place to put all the information about your wireless network and Friedrich unit you'll need during the install. The information that's required is going to be the wireless network name that your Friedrich unit will actually connect to. This is also called an SSID. You'll need the security password for that wireless network. We'll need the registration ID that's located on the back of the FriedrichLink Wi-Fi adapter, and finally the model number for your Friedrich air conditioner. The install sequence is 6 steps. We're going to navigate to the FriedrichLink website using that address that's on the instructional card. You're going to create an account, download a Wi-Fi update tool, and enter information about your wireless network and Friedrich unit. We'll then take that information and update your unit, and finally go out and register it. So let's get started. To begin the installation, we need to navigate to the FriedrichLink website. You'll find the address on the instructional card included with your Wi-Fi kit. Go ahead and type it into the browser and hit return. And you'll be presented with a dialog box that asks if you'd like to watch this installation video. We'll go ahead and select no. Since we're a first-time user, select Get Started. And now you're presented with the sign up page to create your account. Go ahead and fill out all the required fields and select Next. You've now successfully created an account, and you're currently on your All Units tab, and we're ready for the next step, which is to actually register a unit. Once you're ready to continue with the installation, go ahead and select the Register New Units button, and then select the Download Wi-Fi Configuration tool. This will begin the download of the application onto your computer, and you may need to select Run depending on your browser. Once the application is finished downloading, you'll be presented with another dialog box. You'll need to select Continue. Next, you're presented with a licensing agreement. Please take a few moments to read it. You will need to accept it before you can continue. At this point, we're ready to enter our wireless network information as well as the model number for our unit. Once you've entered the wireless network information, go ahead and use the drop-down to select the correct unit based upon your application. For the purposes of this demo, we'll use a YS10N10, and then select Next. Take the flash drive that was included with your Wi-Fi kit and place it into an open USB port on your computer. The application will automatically go out and find the flash drive, write the files, and save the configuration. Once you get the 3 check marks, go ahead and remove the flash drive and press Next. We're now ready to update the Kühl unit with the Wi-Fi configuration that we've just downloaded. The next several screens will walk you through the steps, and they'll be specific to the type of unit that you picked in the previous step, so please follow them closely. I'll go ahead and demonstrate a Type 2 unit in this next video. Okay, so we're now ready to continue with the Wi-Fi installation on our Kühl unit. So to begin, let's power the unit on. Use the system key to select fan only mode, and then a fan speed that you can easily hear. Lower the front cover. Locate the electronic control assembly on the left-hand side, easily visible on this Type 2. A Type 1 will be right up against the front cover. Take the flash drive and cable. Go ahead and insert the flash drive into the large end, and on the small end you'll notice that one side has a B symbol. We're going to use that B symbol to properly orient the cable as we plug it into the electronic control. The B side will go down on a Type 2, and the B side will go away from you on a Type 1. So once you're ready, go ahead and plug that in. Now that it's plugged in, we're ready for the key sequences on the user interface. They're different between Type 1 and Type 2, so look at your web application for the right one for your model. We're going to start with fan mode, fan speed, and up arrow. We're going to press all 3 and hold simultaneously until the fan stops. Once that's done, we can release, and now we're waiting for the user interface and power button to flash,
And we'll also hear the fan come back on. Okay, there's the flash, and there's the fan. So we know that part was successful. Now we're ready for the second step, which on this type 2 is system, fan mode, and timer schedule. We're going to press and hold all three of those simultaneously until we get a 0-1 in the display. And then we're going to release. We're going to wait till that disappears, and the fan's going to come back on. Once that's done, we can remove the cable in the flash drive, and now take the Wi-Fi adapter that came in your kit. If you haven't already done so, write down that registration ID. You're going to need that in the next step of the installation process. And plug that into the connector that we've been using. You should get a flashing Wi-Fi icon in the top right-hand corner of the user interface. Once it stops blinking and goes solid, you're ready to continue back at the website.
Now that we have the Wi-Fi settings uploaded to our Kühl unit, we're ready to register it to our account. So select Register My Units. Now input the registration ID that was on the back of the Kühl Wi-Fi adapter. Once you have that entered, go ahead and give the unit a nickname. We're going to call this one Shop Unit. Zip code where it's located. Use the pull down to select your time zone. And once again, select a model number for the unit. We'll keep the YS10N10. And if you desire, go ahead and select the date that you purchased the unit. Now select Add Unit. Once the unit's located on the network, you'll be directed to the Unit Control tab within your account. From here you can use all the different modes of the unit as well as the up and down arrows for selecting the desired room temperature. If at any time you want to see the status of the unit, you can go back to your View Units tab and you'll see that this unit is online because it shows a green LED next to it. If for some reason the unit was offline, there'd be a red LED here. So with the successful registration of the Kühl unit to our account, we've reached the end of this demonstration video. If you need any help, please feel free to call us at 800-541-6645, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central Time, Monday through Friday. We'd be happy to help you. Thanks for watching.